Hi friends, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of an Irish crochet lace sleeve. So let's see together. Start the slip knot and chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yarn over 4 times, once, twice, 3 times and 4 times. Insert your hook in 5th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook in 5th stitch and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 chain 1. Make 7 double crochets in this ring. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make a double crochet in next chain. Make a double crochet. Make 5 single crochets in next 5 chains. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 3 last chains. Chain 1, turn your work. Make 5 single crochets, back loop only. Insert your hook in first stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 single crochets, back loop. Now let's crochet 5 single crochets, front loop only. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Turn your work. Yarn over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook in 5th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook into the 5th stitch and pull up loop and yarn over, pull through 2 and repeat. Yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1, then make 7 double crochets in this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last time. Make a double crochet in first chain. Make a double crochet in first chain Make a double crochet in first stitch, back loop only. Now make a single crochet, back loop only in each stitch. Make a single crochet in each stitch except my last 3 stitches. Skip last 3 stitches. Now skip, chain 1 and turn. Make a single crochet in first stitch and make a single crochet in next 7 stitches, back loop only. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make 5 single crochets, front loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make a slip stitch in 4th chain. Then you work, make a slip stitch in 4th chain. Skip 1 chain, then make a double crochet in next chain. Make a double crochet in next chain. Make a double crochet in first stitch, back loop only. Make a double crochet in next stitch, back loop only. And make a double crochet. Make a double crochet. Six times. Make a single crochet, back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip last 3 stitches, chain 1, turn your work, make a single crochet, back loop only. Make a single crochet in first stitch, make a single crochet in each stitch. Make a single crochet, 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 back loop only. Make a single crochet in last double crochet. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Make a slip stitch in first chain. Make a slip stitch in first chain. Skip one chain, then make a double crochet in each chain. Make a double crochet, make a double crochet, make a double crochet in each chain, make a double crochet, make a double crochet in next 3 stitches, back loop only. 1, 2, and 3. Make a single crochet in each stitch, back loop only. Make a single crochet, make a single crochet, make a single crochet, make a single crochet, skip last 3 stitches, chain 1, then your work, make a single crochet in first stitch, make a single crochet in each stitch, make a single crochet in each stitch, make a single crochet, make a single crochet, make a single crochet in last double crochet. This is my last double crochet, make a single crochet in last double crochet, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn your work, make a slip stitch in first chain, skip 1 chain, and make a double crochet in each chain. Make a double crochet, make a double crochet, make a double crochet, make a double crochet, back loop only in first stitch, make a back loop, make a double crochet, back loop only in first stitch, make a double crochet in next 2 stitches, back loop only, 1, 2, 3. Make a single crochet in each stitch, 1, 2, back loop only, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip the last 3 stitches, chain 1, turn your work, make a single crochet in first stitch, then make a single crochet in each stitch, make a single crochet, make a single crochet, Make a single crochet in each stitch. Make a single crochet in last double crochet. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn your work. Then make a slip stitch in third chain. Skip one chain. Then make a double crochet in next chain. Make a double crochet in each chain. Make a double crochet. Make a double crochet in each chain. Make a double crochet. Make a double crochet in last chain. Make a double crochet in first 3 stitches, back loop only. 1, 2, and 3. Make a single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Now I'm going to crochet in skipped stitches. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, and 3. Repeat. 1, 2, and 3. Back loop only. Make a single crochet. Make a single crochet. Make a single crochet, back loop only. Then make a single crochet in first 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I'm so happy for watching my videos. I truly appreciate you. I hope this video was helpful for you. You can absolutely share the link with your friends. I appreciate your feedback. Bye, honey.